Hello, good morning. Hope everyone is doing good. As you have seen in my description, baby Toto, his eyes is in pain and it's been almost week, but we are using different eye drop, but it did not heal, so we are planning to visit a doctor. Today we are planning to visit a doctor. So sorry, so sorry. Reach kohima, and then baby is still sleeping. Dia bi kumase.
Gas station. Yeah. That is gas station.
Traffic jam, we share. Hello, look here. There was a doctor. We're going to plaza. And first time ite has a hoy. Oh, flower.
Oh, you like or no?
Dr. Rokola clinic cha olase.
Like.
Tai ke labaw na nai na jane.
Wow. Jabo. Ah. Jabo. Going up now. Nice job. Wow. Yeah. Nice job. Finally, we registered and waiting our terms. This is a sitting room. Huh, come here. Hello. Hello. What's up?
We are in Kohima now.
Okay, for what?
I'm waiting for lots of people.
So, what happened? Is it? Okay, so we are here for checkup.
We are waiting.
So this okay.
Well, dressing, baby try like anything,
Yeah.
but he's fine now.
Yeah. It will be
He's
okay.
fine. Yeah.
Okay. Let's go then.
Yeah. And now we're going bed. I want you to do first. Hey, don't go there. Come this side. Yes. We are just looking around since this is our first time, and we are going bed. Yeah.
Haba ba me mas na. Next. It's to 5th floor. No, 5. Yes. Hey, come this side. Okay, come. Come.
Wait.
Don't touch. So you just go. Just go. No, Moy. Are you happy? Hey, come this side. We'll go this side. Go in this side. Can be said that. For the interpret. Hello. Which side? I had you art by me.
Oh, yes.
Okay. We're not going to buy anything, but we are just looking around. Just looking around. Yes. Itu building to a man. How does it? Sorry. And then and this is, come on. Which only original.
Hi. Hi. Come.
Let's go home.
Come slowly.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, we reach.
Okay, Toto, look here. Toto also much better now. Yes, hello, hello. See there. Aya, don't push that one. Don't push that one. Hello, hello, like this. Yes. Hello. This is baby water bottle. Ayale, lots of it. I'm going to unbox this one. Toto is already 1 year, 2 months, but we don't have water bottle. So we're going to boxing now. Okay, ito shipping natin. 571. 71. Okay, baby bottle. Wow, here, lots of it. Wow, new water bottle for baby. See the hello, see the water bottle. Natumpay siya. Finally, Toto is going to use new one. First we will wash, okay? First we will wash. Wow. Naho. Kushi pase. Toto so happy. Natumpay siya na he get a new bottle. Ito, hagis ase. This is hagis. 2 packet. Wow. Baby hagis order kurishe 2 packet. Na. Yeah. Ite video khatam kori bujibo. Aro next video de lopa wode. Bye bye. See you. Bye bye. See the new bottle nha. Bye bye. See the. Bye bye. See the. Bye bye. See the.